Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna share with you the turnip plants that I have been growing for like maybe 5 months. So what happened when you just let it grow really? It can grow really big, bigger than I've ever expected. So they will still produce lots of greens, but since I'm going to convert this space for the bottle guard here, so we're just going to pull some out. They are really great companion plants for leafy greens, but at the same time it really over time it can get really big, and we're going to have some competition with other vegetables, so you may want to move it away or plant new ones. And it's not really wasted because you could always compost them or use it as fertilizer. So this is starting to flower. You can leave it if, for example, you want to harvest seeds, or if not, you could just pull them out. I've transplanted some already, so this are really big. They are not that edible, I think, because it's already super mature, and I haven't tried eating super mature turnips, but I highly recommend these vegetables, guys. These are really amazing come and cut again vegetables. Purple top turnips, I have a video there for you if you want to check it out, how to grow turnips at home. You can watch that video. So here I have one here as well. So I planted this early winter and now it's already spring, so I want to change this vegetables, or just maybe leave one, as they're really great if you want a pest-free garden, but this really gets crowded over here. Or you can transplant them in a different area. All you have to do is just cover the entire root ball, similar with the radish. So here, so this, I think I'll leave one for as companion plant, for maybe to deter some pests. Here you can see really super big. They're like jicama, similar. The only thing, it has some purple in it as well. So this really amazing. They hardly being bothered by insects or pests. They are really very prolific, and I highly recommend. So this one is really huge. Never expect that it will really love the soil here. So it is edible. The greens, sometimes they can get really bitter when they become super mature, so I highly recommend to harvest the ones that are really younger leaves. It's much better. It's similar with radishes, but these are turnips have bigger leaves. Are some of the radishes that I've cut down already. This is what happened if, for example, the radish already flowered. And then you can always cut them down, not so low, just for them, and then it will bounce back. And it's so amazing because you don't have to plant it again. The only thing there is, if you love eating the roots, of course, you will harvest them just maybe all at once and plant once. So with this, if you're into or you love to grow radish leaves, this is the way to go, really, because it's a common cut again vegetables. And you can encourage them to provide more leafy greens, just to cut down their flowers, and they have plenty of shoots in there, and they give you lots and lots of greens. So I've mixed planting them with kales and Swiss chard, some cabbage, because they are really amazing companion plants. So I have here Swiss chard. These are really amazing vegetables, very easy to grow as well. And when you plant them along with radishes, they are really pest free. I have not experienced any problem with pest. This time I've planted them along with other leafy vegetables. So here it is, really very amazing. So I highly recommend it, guys. I've growing this radish since winter. So this is what happened. You can just cover that roots with soil as it becomes so exposed, or you can cover that out with a mulch or leaves. So because over time radish will be susceptible with the pest, especially in the root. Some bugs would like to eat them. And in this area I have some still with onions and Swiss chards and kale, and I just planted them with this amazing pigeon peas. I highly recommend it because it fixes the nitrogen of the soil. And if, for example, you don't want to plant, you have no space for like beans, I highly recommend this pigeon peas. It may take a while to grow, but it's really very rewarding. At the same time, it takes up less space as well. So here we are for the kale. I think this is like a dwarf Siberian kale, curly kale. So over time, your radish, really some will not able to grow because they might be susceptible, and at the same time they might rot as well. Depending down, just look at this. It has really already lots of flowers, and it might crowd your garden. So I highly recommend to just kind of move them or cut them down. Hello everyone, so today we're gonna harvest some onion greens. So we have here cutting these big stalks of onion greens. They are very healthy, amazing, very easy to grow. I have a video there for you guys if you want to grow onion greens, how to grow onions greens in your backyard or at home. You can check it out if you like. And these are amazing. Come and cut again greens. You can put it in the pesto, saute them, and we have here some Swiss chard. Is very healthy. Let's go here to the kale. So I showed you guys a while ago. I have a video there as well in the playlist on how to grow a kale at home. Very easy to grow as well. And mostly I like to saute them or put them in pasta, and they're really good. You can blanch them or some salad. And these are some of the green vegetables we have. Some lacinato kale mixed up with radishes. It's amazing. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment down below or check us out the playlist there for you guys. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!